Now friends, we look the method chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method. Here friends, in the first one that will be given question number 1, and its first question is given here: x plus y is equal 14, x minus y is equal 4. We have to solve these equations with using the method of substitution. Give it number 1, give it number 2. Now friends, you can take any equation and from that we can take the unknown value of either x or y. Here I will take here first equation, x plus y is equal 14. X plus y is equal 14. Now you have to find the unknown value from this equation, unknown value of x from this equation. इसमें से आपको x का unknown value लेना है. I keep x as it is. I keep x as it is. 14 as it is. This one I take left side. It became minus. Now friends, this value, this substitution, we substitute in second equation, sub in second equation, and the second equation is x minus y is equal 4. Friends, understand it? If you take here the unknown value of x from first equation, you have to substitute this equation in the second equation. I write the second equation once again. Be alert friends, the value of x 14 minus y is equal 4. Now simplify, which I explained in an extra basic video. Keep 14 as it is. Minus y minus 2y is equal 4. Now friends, now this is important for us. 14 keep as it is. This 2y I take left to right, it became plus. This 4 we take right to left, it became minus. The subtraction of these two are 10 is equal to. Now these two we take in denominator. 10 by 2 is equal y. Cut here, 5 to ja, so 2 to cut. You can get the value of y is equal 5. It's very easy. Now, after finding the value of y, you can substitute this value in this equation, second equation या first equation. तीन में से किसी में भी रख सकते हैं. Here, so y is equal 5, sub in x is equal 14 minus y. Keep x as it is, 14 as it is. In place of y I write minus. So the value of x is equal 9. Here we write thus. The solution of the given pair of linear equation is x is equal 9 and y is equal 5 friends. So this is our answer. Okay, so we have to go on this way. Now friends, if in board exam that will be given clearly, take y is unknown value from the first equation. So आपको इसमें से y का unknown value लेना है. If there will be say take unknown value of x from second equation, you have to take second equation. Take a value unknown value of y from the second equation, you have to take from it. Friends, here you can solve this sum on four way. यानी वे यही है, लेकिन फोर मेथड से हम उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसमें x का अननोन वैल्यू, इसमें y का अननोन वैल्यू, इसमें x का अननोन वैल्यू, इसमें y का अननोन वैल्यू. We can find the answer on this way. Okay? Now, here is given two equations. S minus t is equal 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal 6. Give it number 1. Give it number 2. Friends, here two method. I explain you. Here we take the first equation here. S minus t is equal 3. I take first equation. From this first equation, I will take the unknown value of s, keep s as it is, 3 as it is, t we take left side, it became plus, and this value sub in s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal 6. देखो बच्चों, इसमें s की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे 3 plus t upon 3 plus t by 2 is equal 6. Now friends, we take LCM here. We take LCM here. 3 and 2 का LCM आएगा 6. The LCM is 6. 3 to the 6. 2 3 the 6. The term which you multiply in denominator must multiply in numerator. So 2 bracket में क्या आएगा 3 plus t. Okay, here 3 into t, 3t is equal 6. After taking LCM, this 6 we multiply here. 2 into 3 6, 2 into t 2t plus 3t, 6 6 ja 36. Now friends, 2t plus 3t 5t, 36 as it is. This 6 we take left to right, its sign will be changed. So 5t is equal 30. So t is equal 30 by 5. 5 6 ja 5 5 ka. So we got the value of t is 6. We got the value of t 6. This value substituted in this equation, you can find the value of s. T is equal to 6, subbing s is equal 3 plus t, 3 plus, in place of t we substitute 6, s is equal 9. So the solution of thus the solution of the given pair is, thus the solution of the given pair of linear equation. Linear equation is S is equal to 9 and T is equal 6. So this is our answer. Friends, if you want to solve this sum on easy way, also I explain the second method here. Suppose S minus T is equal 3. This is the first equation. S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. If you want to make in a simple form, then after take substitution, also we can find this answer. Look here, S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. We take here LCM 6 and the LCM 6, so 3 to the 6, 2s. Here we got 2s, here 3, here 3, 3 into T, 3T is equal to 6. After taking LCM, this 6 we multiply here. 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This one number 2. Now friends, from first equation S minus T is equal to 3. So S is equal 3 plus T. This value sub in second equation. This is the second equation. 2s plus 3t is equal 36. 2 as it is. In place of s, I write 3 plus t plus 3t is equal 36. Now 2 into 3 6, 2 into t 2t plus 3t is equal 36. Now we do simplify here friends. 6 plus 5t is equal 36. 5t as it is, 36 as it is. This 6 we take that side. So 5t is equal 30. Now t is equal 30. Sometimes some student make here minus 5. That's wrong friends. If here is 5 is in multiplication, the other side we have to write it in denominator. 5 6 yeah. So 5 5 got here. So we got the value of t is equal 6 and t is equal 6 sub in this equation. S is equal 3 plus t, 3 plus 6, it will be 9. So we can solve this sum on this two way. Also friends, in board exam there will be given take unknown value of s, a substitution of s from second equation and solve this sum. At that time you have to take the substitution of s from the second equation and then solve the sum. At that time, if you go on this way and from this equation, you can find the value of unknown value of s very easily. Okay friends, आगे भी और भी सम आएंगे, उसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा. We can see the answer s is equal 9 and t is equal 6, s9 and t is equal 6. Thank you friends, enjoy this sum. Thank you very much.